Get the camel. So cute. I love the diamond. Oh, we're back. Okay,
Shakas and shout outs to Diamond Bakery.
Yeah, shakas and shout. Welcome back. Nina girls over there, Davey D's over here. Time for some shakas and shout outs. And we want to say some shakas and shout outs to the organization known as Breast Cancer Hawaii.
They are excited to announce the return of the 3rd annual Breast Cancer Hawaii Resource Fair. It's coming up Saturday, September 27th at City Square Shopping Center. And this is where you can learn about breast cancer facts, explore the latest research, and discover the programs offered by Breast Cancer Hawaii.
You can also enjoy arts and crafts and try your luck on the prize wheel or the brand new prize grab machine with hundreds of dollars in prizes.
Shakas and shout outs to native Hawaiian artist Solomon Enos. Enos recently completed a new art installation at Queens, Kahi Mohala, created with the participation of patients who joined in the creative process.
That is so cool. The large-scale piece, which was completed in just 4 hours, spans the basketball court wall and celebrates nature as an extension of the land, honors kupuna, and symbolizes the passing of knowledge and strength to future generations.
The artwork was gifted to Queens, Kahi Mohala, through the generosity of the Liliuokalani Trust and N30 Studios.
Very cool. Hey, shakas and shoutouts to Kiwani's Club of East Hawaii. They've been serving Hilo and Hawaii Island since 1963, and on Saturday, September 27th, they invite families to Keiki Day 2025 at the Afukchinen Civic Auditorium parking lot.
From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., enjoy this free, family-friendly event with hands-on activities, food trucks, free bike helmets with safety tips, and other fun surprises all throughout the morning. Plus, Keiki, who bring a donation for the food drive for the Salvation Army, will receive a fun sticker sheet.
We're going to be in Hilo tomorrow. We should go pop in over there.
That'd be a great idea.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Now, for more information, you can go to kitv.com/links.